Hello everyone. Today we are talking about a car that is shaking the luxury automotive world and bringing back a legend in the most unexpected way. This is the 2026 Cadillac V16 Roadster, a masterpiece that blends classic American heritage with futuristic luxury and unbelievable power. This car is not just built to impress, it is built to make a statement. From the very first look, the 2026 Cadillac V16 Roadster feels bold, elegant, and extremely premium. The long hood, low-slung profile, and wide stance give it a true roadster personality. The front design is aggressive yet classy, with a massive signature grille and sharp modern lighting that instantly tells you this is something special. Every detail on the exterior feels carefully designed to reflect confidence, power, and timeless luxury. The biggest shock comes when we talk about what's under the hood. Cadillac brings back the legendary V16 engine, something almost forgotten in today's automotive world. This engine is not just about raw speed, it's about smooth, effortless power delivery. The acceleration feels calm yet commanding, making the driver feel in complete control. It's the kind of power that doesn't need to shout, it simply exists and dominates quietly. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Cadillac V16 Roadster feels like a private luxury retreat. High-quality leather, handcrafted materials, and elegant metal accents surround the driver and passenger. The interior design focuses on comfort, space, and refinement rather than overcomplicated styling. Everything feels premium to the touch, from the steering wheel to the center console. This is luxury that you feel, not just see. The technology inside this Roadster is modern but tastefully integrated. Large digital displays provide important information clearly without overwhelming the cabin. The infotainment system is smooth and responsive, offering navigation, connectivity, and entertainment features that meet modern expectations. A premium sound system fills the cabin with rich audio, making long drives more enjoyable. Safety features and driver assistance systems work silently in the background, giving peace of mind without disturbing the driving experience. What truly defines the 2026 Cadillac V16 Roadster is how it drives. This car is not built for racing tracks, it's built for smooth cruising and confident road presence. The suspension absorbs road imperfections with ease, making every drive relaxed and comfortable. Whether you're driving through city streets or open highways, the car feels stable, composed, and incredibly refined. This Roadster represents something bigger than just a new model. It represents Cadillac's ambition to revive its golden era and challenge the biggest luxury brands in the world. In a time when many manufacturers focus only on electric trends and downsized engines, Cadillac takes a bold step by reviving a V16 and proving that heritage still matters. The 2026 Cadillac V16 Roadster is a car for those who appreciate timeless design, powerful engineering, and true luxury. It's not about chasing trends, it's about creating a legacy. This car reminds us that luxury can still be emotional, powerful, and unforgettable. So the real question is this the most daring luxury roadster of the future? One thing is clear, the 2026 Cadillac V16 Roadster is already capturing attention and setting new expectations. It's a symbol of confidence, innovation, and classic American luxury reborn. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible machine, stay tuned for more exciting automotive stories. See you next time.